study the Lab 1 of the Communication System course. So let's start with how to use digital multimeter. We will construct this basic circuit using 5 volts and 2 resistors. We will measure the voltage across the resistor R1 and then current through resistor R2. We are going to measure the DC voltage, so you have to put the multimeter at the DC voltage sign and connect the positive end to the red and negative end to the black, which is ground. But here the resistor does not have positive and negative side, so you can connect anyhow. And this is the DC power supply. There are 3 channels in total, and I also connected the positive and negative terminal across the resistor. So you have to measure the voltage across the resistor from the both end of the resistor. So you can see here, since they are in parallel, they have the same voltage across the resistor. If you want to measure the current, you have to place the positive cable to the ampere terminal, and here you have to choose the milliampere if your current is not very small. In order to measure the current, you have to connect the multimeter probe in series. So it is better if you take out one end of the resistor and then put it in the other side of the breadboard, since there is a disconnection line between the 2 sides of the breadboard. If you put it in the other side of the breadboard, they are not connected anymore, and then you can measure the current between the disconnected side of the resistor in series. Since you want to measure the current across resistor R2, you need to remove the one end of the R2. Here we can see it is around 4.9 milliampere. Here I remove the 1 kilo ohm resistor. That's why you can see the current is almost 5 milliampere. So in conclusion, if you want to measure the voltage across the resistor, you can simply connect it across the resistor in parallel. And for the current, you need to remove one end and then connect the multimeter probe in series. In the second part of the lab, we will continue with how to use the function generator.